Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers, which are for both SIM cards, and also serial number. This is the last number here. And this is it. Just click on OK to go back. And now you can also open those numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, locate and open about phone. So it's the very last tab. And here, right in front of you, you've got serial number and both IMEI numbers. So this is it. This is how you can locate unique numbers assigned to your Samsung Galaxy S20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.